Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a quick little video to address some issues I'm having with my giveaway. So I've been doing giveaways on my channel for a while now and I wasn't having any problems, but recently I've been having more and more issues with the giveaways. So first let me explain to you guys what the rules usually are for my giveaways. You have to be subscribed to my channel, give that video a thumbs up, and leave a comment down below. Usually that's it. Sometimes I throw in some more things, but for majority of the giveaways, that's all the 3 things you have to do. And then I will leave on the screen like when the giveaway is over. I will also put it in the description bar down below and let you guys know like when the giveaway will be ending. It usually takes me about a week to pick a winner because I get busy and that's just that. But what I do is then I will go into the comments, and then when the cutoff date is, anything after that is not entered into the giveaway. Anything before that will be entered into the giveaway. So I do make sure that when the cutoff date is, no comments after that cutoff date is going to be entered into the giveaway. I have 2 ways of how I pick winners for the giveaway. Sometimes I read all of the comments, but sometimes I will pick a comment if it kind of tugs at my heart a little bit, or I will throw all of the names into Wheel of Names. You just type in wheelofnames.com, I think it is, or Google it, and you put in everyone's name that way and you press a button and it picks a name for you. So them are the 2 ways that I pick my winners. And then what I do is I will go to the winner and reply to their comment and let them know, hey, you won, congratulations, email me so we can get this package sent out, something like that. And then I will pin their comment. Pinning a comment means that when you go and read the comments, a pinned comment will be the very first one, and only the creator, so in this case myself, is able to pin a comment. I do that because one of you subscribers told me I should pin it so then everyone knows like who the winner is, and it has really helped me out a lot doing that. And then the winner will email me and give me their address, and then I will ship out their package. Usually once I get their address, I try to have it shipped out within that week. The problem that I've been having lately, this happened on this giveaway that I'm currently doing, and I know like the last 2 I think it started happening on. So I've had people over on Instagram DM me and tell me like, hey, is this you? And there's a profile with the same profile picture as my YouTube profile, and it's claiming that they won some giveaway. It's like claim your prize or something weird like that. That was the first time that I was aware of it, and I was like, what? So I tried to look into it, tried to figure out what was going on, and I got nowhere. The next giveaway that I did, I got a lot more people that were DMing me saying that, hey, is this you? And I'm like, nope, and stuff. And with this giveaway, I've had people message me again saying that, like, is this you? But this time I had over 10 emails from people saying like, oh my gosh, I can't believe I won, I'm so excited. And I was really confused because at that time I didn't pick a winner yet for the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. So I was like really confused. The first person I commented back to, I was like, hey girl, I guess I'm a little confused. What giveaway are you talking about? And one person emailed me back saying the 1,000 subscriber giveaway I won, and I'm like, hun, I haven't picked a winner yet. I don't know what you're talking about. And we kind of exchanged emails back and forth, and that girl was really understandable. She was very sweet and was like, oh my gosh, I'm embarrassed and blah 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 and all this other stuff. But there was a couple of girls that thought they won and were just very upset. Yeah, so I felt really bad and I didn't know what to do. So I thought I would make a YouTube video and have it on my channel so then people can kind of watch this video, know what's going on, and like just know the rules. I'm gonna do a lot better in the description bar, leaving, okay, my dog. Leo is not having it. For some reason, he just wants to scratch at the carpet. He doesn't scratch at it and then lay down. No, he just scratches. So I don't know what's going on with him. But I wanted to make this video just a short little video that people can watch and hopefully understand. If you are getting this fake account replying back to one of your comments, I really apologize. I'm trying to look into it through YouTube and trying to see if we can get the account like taken down. But I think this is happening to a lot of people from the research I've been doing. I feel like this is happening a lot. I'm just like, ugh. I wish it wasn't happening to me or anyone for that matter. So I will do a lot better on the rules in the description, and I will also like make it very clear that you will know if you won for these reasons. Yeah, I just wanted to make this short little video to inform you guys of that stuff so there is no miscommunication. I hope you guys all have an amazing day, and Leo and I, we'll see you later. Say bye, Leo. Say bye. Bye.